بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا.
Most blessed is he who sent down this criterion on his servant to be a warner to all mankind.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض ولم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك وخلق كل شيء فقدره تقديرا.
He to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, who has taken to himself no son, nor has he taken any partner in his kingdom, who created everything and then determined its destiny.
واتخذوا من دونه آلهة لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون موتا ولا حياة ولا نشورا.
Yet people have taken instead of him other deities, those that create nothing, but are themselves created, who do not have the power to hurt or benefit even themselves, who have no power over death, nor over life, nor over the resurrection of the dead.
وقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا إفك افتراه وأعانه عليه قوم آخرون فقد جاءوا ظلما وزورا.
Those who disbelieve in the message of the Prophet say, this criterion is nothing but a lie which he has forged with the help of others. Such have indeed resorted to a grievous wrong and sheer falsehood.
وقالوا أساطير الأولين اكتتبها فهي تملى عليه بكرة وأصيلا.
They say, these are merely fairy tales of the ancients which he has got inscribed, and they are then recited to him morning and evening.
قل أنزله الذي يعلم السر في السماوات والأرض إنه كان غفورا رحيما.
Say to them, O Muhammad, it is he who knows the secrets of the heavens and the earth, who has sent down this book. Indeed, he is most forgiving, most compassionate.
وقالوا ما لهذا الرسول يأكل الطعام ويمشي في الأسواق لولا أنزل إليه ملك فيكون معه نذيرا.
They say, what sort of a messenger is this? He eats food and walks about in the markets. Why was an angel not sent down to him so that he may remain with the messenger and warn those that do not believe in him?
أو يلقى إليه كنز أو تكون له جنة يأكل منها وقال الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
Why was a treasure not bestowed upon him, or a garden whereof he might obtain his sustenance? The evildoers say, you are simply following a bewitched man.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
See what specious arguments they put forth before you? They are so strayed that they will not find their way to anything sound.
تبارك الذي إن شاء جعل لك خيرا من ذلك جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ويجعل لك قصورا.
Most blessed is he who, if he wills, can grant you even better than what they propose. Gardens beneath which rivers flow and stately mansions.
بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا.
Nay, the truth is that it is the hour to which they give the lie. We have kept a blazing fire ready for him who denies the hour.
إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا.
When it sees them from a place afar, they will hear its raging and roaring.
وإذا ألقوا منها مكانا ضيقا مقرنين دعوا هنالك ثبورا.
And when they are flung, chained together into a narrow place in it, they will fervently call there for annihilation.
لا تدعوا اليوم ثبورا واحدا وادعوا ثبورا كثيرا.
They will then be told, do not call for a single annihilation, but for many an annihilation.
قل أذلك خير أم جنة الخلد التي وعد المتقون كانت لهم جزاء ومصيرا.
Ask them, is this state better, or the garden of eternity which the God-fearing have been promised? It shall be their recompense and the end point of their journey.
لهم فيها ما يشاءون خالدين كان على ربك وعدا مسئولا.
The garden wherein whatever they desire will be fulfilled. In it they shall abide forever. This is a promise whose fulfillment your Lord has made incumbent on himself.
ويوم يحشرهم وما يعبدون من دون الله فيقول أنتم أضللتم عبادي هؤلاء أم هم ضلوا السبيل.
On the day when he will muster together all the unbelievers as well as the deities that they worship beside Allah, and he will ask them, was it you who caused these servants of mine to stray away, or did they themselves stray away from the right path?
قالوا سبحانك ما كان ينبغي لنا أن نتخذ من دونك من أولياء ولكن متعتهم وآباءهم حتى نسوا الذكر وكانوا قوما بورا.
They will say, Glory be to you, it did not behove us to take any other than you as our guardians. But you lavished the pleasures of life upon them and their forefathers until they forgot the admonition and became doomed to destruction.
فقد كذبوكم بما تقولون فما تستطيعون صرفا ولا نصرا ومن يظلم منكم نذقه عذابا كبيرا.
Thus will those deities give the lie to all what you now say, and you will not be able to avert your doom, nor obtain any succor. We shall cause whoever of you commits wrong to taste an enormous chastisement.
وما أرسلنا قبلك من المرسلين إلا إنهم ليأكلون الطعام ويمشون في الأسواق وجعلنا بعضكم لبعض فتنة أتصبرون وكان ربك بصيرا.
O Muhammad, we never sent any messengers before you, but they ate food and walked about in the markets. We made some of you a means to test each by the other, to see whether you remain patient. Your Lord is all-seeing.
وقال الذين لا يرجون لقاءنا لولا أنزل علينا الملائكة أو نرى ربنا لقد استكبروا في أنفسهم وعتوا عتوا كبيرا.
Those who do not look forward to meet us say, why should angels not be sent to us? Or why do we ourselves not observe our Lord? Surely they are too proud of themselves and have gone beyond all limits in their rebellion.
يوم يرون الملائكة لا بشرى يومئذ للمجرمين ويقولون حجرا محجورا.
On that day, the day when they will behold angels, there will be no good news for those immersed in evil, and they will cry out, we seek refuge in Allah.
وقدمنا إلى ما عملوا من عمل فجعلناه هباء منثورا.
And we shall turn to their deeds and shall reduce them to scattered dust.
أصحاب الجنة يومئذ خير مستقرا وأحسن مقيلا.
On that day, it is the inmates of paradise that will be graced with a better abode and a fairer resting place.
ويوم تشقق السماء بالغمام ونزل الملائكة تنزيلا.
On that day, the sky shall be rent asunder by a cloud, and a whole cavalcade of angels will be made to descend.